Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to explain about conjugations in cyclic compounds. So in previous video I already discussed basics of stereochemistry. Now in this video I am going to explain about the conjugation in cyclic compounds. So look at this molecule. This is S carbon. So this carbon where is a star is asymmetric center. So hydrogens, carbon, carbon, carbon. So 3 carbon. Then again go to the basic and check it. Which one is group 1 and 2. So this carbon contains double bond. So this carbon contains double bond means this carbon attach with the carbon, attach with the carbon, attach with the carbon. So automatically this carbon will get higher priority. So this one is 1. Now look at this carbon. This carbon contains 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon. 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon. Okay, and look at this. This carbon contains 2 hydrogens, 1 carbon. So this will not decide. So we will move CH2 to CH2 further this. So this is the CH2 and this is the CH2. Now further this carbon contains oxygens and carbon. This carbon contains oxygens, automatically oxygens and carbon. This carbon. So this carbon contains oxygens and this carbon contains 1 hydrogens, 1 carbon, another carbon. 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon, another carbon. So according to this CH2 and this CH2, this one will get the more priority than this. Now you understand what I am trying to say. Did you understand? You have chiral center, you have 3 carbon. This carbon attach with carbon, carbon and carbon, 3 carbon. And this carbon attach with 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So this one is the more priority. Now these 2 carbon will not decide. So we move to next. So here this carbon attached with 2 oxygens, 1 carbon. Here 2 carbon, 1 hydrogen. So it will get the more priority than this. Friend, hope you understand this one. Then go to the highest priority to lowest. This is counterclockwise S. That way S carbon. Rank the group that are bonded to the asymmetric carbon and draw an arrow with the highest priority to the lowest priority for future projections. So you see CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, ClH. This is the carbon, this is the highest priority, this is the lowest priority. Now this ties CH2, CH2, it will not decide. So again we move to another carbon. So this carbon attach 3 hydrogen, this carbon 2 hydrogen and 1 carbon. So this will get the more priority than this. So higher priority, then this and then this. This is clockwise, then R. If the lowest priority is on a horizontal bond, the naming is opposite to the directions of the arrow. So you see here, this is the highest priority, this is this. So if the lowest priority is on the horizontal line, horizontal bond, this is the lowest priority and it is in horizontal line, the naming is opposite to the direction of the arrow. So arrow, if it is clockwise, then you give the different S, not the R. Here horizontal line contains fourth, here horizontal line here. So whatever the configuration come, then opposite it. Properties of enantiomers. Same boiling point, melting point and density, same refractive index. Rotate the plane polarized light in the same magnitude but opposite directions. That is the important. Same magnitude but opposite direction. Different interaction with the other chiral molecules. Active site of enzyme is selective for a specific enantiomers. Taste buds and scent receptor are also chiral. Enantiomers may have different smell. Polarized light. What is polarized light? Polarized light or plane polarized light is the composed of waves that vibrate in only one plane. What does it mean? This is your light source. Wave vibrating in all directions. This side, this side, this side, all directions. This is polarizing filter. If it will go through this, wave vibrating in a single plane. You see, not all directions. Then this plane polarized light. Optical active. What is the optical activity? Enantiomers rotate the plane polarized light in opposite directions, but the same number of degrees. This is your sodium lamp, monochromator filter, polarizing filter, plane polarized light. This is the vial, simple cell, and then analyzing filter, and there is a detector. So this is the schematic diagram for polarimeter. So simple cell, analyzing, and then detector. If it clockwise, then positive, dextrorotative. If counterclockwise, negative. Not related to RNS. This is positive, negative. RNS we are doing with the priority order, and positive, negative, this is through the polarimeter. What is the specific rotation? Observed rotation depends on the length of the cell and concentration, as well as the strength of optical activity, temperature and wavelength of light. You see the specific rotation, I alpha observed, C into L, where alpha observed is the rotations observed in the polarimeter, this one. C is concentration in gram per ml, and L is the length of the sample cell in decimeter. This is always in decimeter. So resolution of racemic reaction. You have R acid and you have S acid, two enantiomers. You have added S base, then you will get RS and SS. These are diastomers. And then RS, salt, and SS. Then you have added hydrochloric acid, you will get S base H plus, S base H plus, R acid and R acid, S acid. This is the resolution of enantiomer mixture. You have mixture here, now you have separated. Resolution of enantiomers, you have this S to be turned on and R to be turned on. You have added RR, positive tartaric acid. You will get this compound and you can get this compound. On hydrolysis, you get this compound and this compound. This is RR, this is RR. You have added this one. One enantiomers is another enantiomers. You can separate it. Resolution of enantiomers. Chromographic resolution of enantiomers. Prepare column containing a stationary phase coated with the chiral compound. Enantiomers form diastomers complexes with the chiral stationary phase. Separate the diastomers complexes based on the difference in affinity of stationary phase. A strongly complex elutes slowly. A weakly complex elutes more quickly. So chiral compound, asymmetric atom without chiral center. Conformational enantiomers. Compounds that are so bulky or so highly strained that cannot easily conform from one chiral conform to the mirror image of conformation, locked into one conformation. You see, impossible to two crowded rotations, so it will not go in this way. So This one is a staggered conformation chiral, staggered conformation chiral. Chiral compound asymmetric atom, alene system. Compound containing carbon-carbon double bond, this is alene system. Central carbon is sp hybridized. Enantiomers of 2,3 pentadiene. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.